Actually, we've gone to about 4 local governments to inspect ongoing projects. We went to Eleme. We inspected 2 projects there. The Alisa Comprehensive Secondary School. That is ready. Just a little walk, road walk, or will I say access to the school, the compound. I believe in the next few days that will be ready. We went to Thai. We had two items there. The other one is a road, Botem Road, which is completed. It will be part of our 100 days in office. We also went to check the secondary school that is ongoing. I'm very happy with what I saw there. You can see the level of work going on in the secondary school. The number of workers there shows that the contractor is serious. So I'm really, really happy with them. We also stopped by in Eleme. What we're looking, I mean, some of you didn't understand what was going on. We have 2 projects there. One is the Old Bori Road that we intend to flag off in the 100 days in office. It's a stretch road. They call it Old Bori Road. It takes you straight to what we call it Eteo. Eteo is that other road that you use to access Ogobolo. You understand? So it's a very important project that once it's done, you don't even need to pass the East-West Road if you're going towards the Bori, Ogoni, Axis, or Popo, or even the Andoni. So we are also here. We've been here before. I believe you can remember. We are here again to see what they have done. I think the project is complete. So we can be, we're sure that this will be part of our 100 days in office.
They are not walking. Governor.